Juggling multiple clients and projects as a virtual assistant can feel like a circus act, but Clockify can be your secret weapon for staying organized and accurately tracking every billable minute. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. It's completely free, no hidden fees, which is fantastic for VAs just starting out or managing a tight budget. Once you're logged in, start tracking your time by entering a description of your current task in the "What are you working on?" field. For example, drafting social media posts for client. Now, assign this task to the correct project. Click the project drop-down and either select an existing client project or create a new one by typing the client's name and hitting enter. This keeps all your time entries neatly organized by client. Hit the play button to start the timer as soon as you begin working. Clockify will now accurately track every second you spend on the task. When you're finished with the task, hit the stop button. You can also add tags, like research or editing, for even more detailed reporting later. To generate a time report, navigate to the Reports section here. You can filter your time entries by client, date range, and even tags. Clockify will then generate a detailed report showing the total billable hours for each project, making invoicing a breeze and ensuring transparent communication with your clients. With Clockify, you'll not only streamline your time tracking but also build trust with your clients through accurate and detailed reporting, leading to a smoother, more profitable VA business.